Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, universal garage door opener. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.